Birds are a type of animal that can fly. Birds have been around for many years, and sometimes people like to give birds names and even keep them as pets. There are as many different names for birds as there are episodes of Naruto. Ha ha. That was a little joke. We go now to a shocking development at the real United Nations, where two of the leaders of all birds everywhere are making a real announcement.
That wonderful performance is only one example of the extent to which male birds will go, 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 in order to attract a female, in order to attract a female. Which male birds will go.